All right. Sonic Boom Brad playing Bison, ironically, versus Blockbuster John. Going with Cody. I don't know if he's just doing this or if this is a counter pick. I can assume it's probably a counter pick. But John does play a decent Cody from time to time. Here we go.
Are you ready? Fight!
Yeah, this is the time to attack Bison. If he doesn't have meter, you want to go in for the offense. A lot of characters can jump in at him and not get hit by any of his anti-airs. But the second he has meter for reversal, ooh. I like that. Goes for the BJ. Here we go. Brad getting some pressure. And again with the EX Zonk. Gotta respect Cody when he's got that meter. I mean, Bison isn't going to do a ton of damage on block. It's only like -9. I don't think Ultra 1 can actually punish it, so you might get a little bit out of it, but not too much. So it's actually a decent risk for the reward of getting out of the corner from scissor kick pressure. Round 1 of Blockbuster John.
Will the tide of battle turn? Fight!
Oh, wow. Great whip punish there with the medium kick ruffian. Yeah, neutral jump's a really good tactic against Bison, especially with someone like neutral jump fierce that Cody has. If he does a scissor kick or he dashes forward at you, you're going to hit him. Oh, wow. Stun. Game 1. Blockbuster John. That was pretty convincing there.
Let's get started. Fight!
Good blocks from Brad. He hasn't. Again, without meter, Bison really can't do a whole lot here. Oh, and there's the stun. Shouldn't kill if he does. Oh, he doesn't. No, he went for the big combo. The Earth Shaker, the overhead. Oh, he went for stand roundhouse instead of back strong. I mean, what is Bison going to do at this point? Cody can just be like, hey, throw rocks, fake rocks. Yeah, really hard for him to come back at that point.
Will the tide of battle turn? Fight!
He's got decent blocks, but can't really get any huge pressure going on. And there we go. Blockbuster John takes it. And for those, oh, hello, I was gone. For those of you who want to check out the brackets, you can go to levelupchallenge.com. You can find all the brackets on there.